Ciclovistas face off. Suzuki Raider 150 and Yamaha Sniper MX. The Raider R150 new breed is another proud Raider line that boasts power and agility. Streamlined aerodynamics and light frame underbone chassis with a powerful 150cc engine has great power to weight ratio. Superb braking power through its front and rear disc brakes. The sporty clip-on handlebars gives you the edge in handling the instrument clusters, and digital speedometer gives the sport bike feel. The seat offers long ride comfort to the rider and pillion passenger. Sporty headlamps brings the right illumination during night rides. The ever-reliable front and rear suspensions will handle rough and even roads.
Hi Ciclovistas, we're here to interview an owner of Suzuki Rider 150. So hi sir, what's your name po?
Michael,
Sir Michael. How much po yung price ng Suzuki Rider 150?
I think nasa 92 pa to this year yung cash niya.
Okay po. How about yung speed and acceleration niya?
Speed and acceleration is umaabot to ng 140 pataas ang top speed niya. So yung acceleration is very stable naman.
Yung engine po niya sir?
Yung engine displacement niya is 150cc.
Okay. How about yung ride or handling niya po?
Handling niya is very smooth and napaka naman niya, easy to ride, so wala ka akong masabi sa handling ng Raider 150.
How about, ano po yung nagustuhan niyo yung looks and features ng Rider 150?
Talagang at first na-in-love talaga ako sa Raider 150 nung wala pa akong motor, so talagang sinikap ko magkaroon nito kasi napaka-head turner talaga ng Raider 150 kasi talagang ano siya talaga sa daan. Talagang parang ano siya, kumikinang para sa paningin ko, so kaya talagang pinili ko siya.
Pang model sir?
Yes, pang model na katulad ko.
So sir, ano po ba yung mga advantages ng motor?
Advantage, pagdating sa speed, maasahan mo talaga siya, lalo sa mga overtake. Ano pa ba? Yun nga, sa style, very, ano siya, very unique, yeah. Tapos, sa, ano pa ba? Torque, so malakas siya sa mga akyatan, lalo na sa pataas sa amin, sa Antipolo.
Okay po. How about the disadvantages?
Ang disadvantage lang niya is malakas lang talaga siya sa gas. So, pero yung lakas niya sa gas is na-accommodate naman nung makina niya kasi dahil malaki nga yung makina niya.
So worth it naman sir?
Yes, worth it.
Okay. So there you have it, Ciclovistas. Suzuki Rider 150.
Fast, agile, sporty motorcycle from Suzuki that will surely make your adrenaline rush. The Suzuki Raider R150 new breed. The Yamaha Sniper MX, a distinction of comfortable ride and racetrack feel. Patterned with Yamaha's superb engineering and handsome styling, it brings pride of ownership. The sporty speedometer panel is very functional in any weather condition, and the cluster of switches are ergonomically placed. The 135cc 5-speed engine with liquid cooling promises long ride ease at high speeds. The handsome front cowling packs great aerodynamics in any wind condition. Braking power is superb due to its front and rear disc brakes and has comfortable ride due to its reliable suspensions and agile handling that will give you the fun you need.
Hi Ciclovistas, we're here to interview an owner of Yamaha Sniper MX. Hi sir, I'm Miles from Motorcycle News Magazine. Ano pong name nila?
My name is Deb Markley Zorbito. So, Deb na lang for short para madali.
So sir, you're an owner of Yamaha MX. Magkano po yung Yamaha MX in the market?
Sa ngayon, it's 94,200 in cash. I think that's the updated price.
Okay po. How about naman yung speed and acceleration niya, sir?
In terms of speed, satisfied naman ako. Kasi so far, nabirit ko siya ng 120. All stock po siya. And then, in terms of acceleration, from 0 to 60, mabilis. Wala kang may aangal doon.
Kamusta naman po yung engine niya, sir?
In terms of engine, it's 135cc and it's a SOHC, yung single overhead cam. Siguro, kumpara sa ibang motor, yung gas niya is sobrang tipid.
Okay po. And sir, how about naman yung ride or handling niya? Kamusta po yung paggamit niya?
Yung sa handling naman, isa lang masasabi ko, komportable siya gamitin. Suitable siya for very long rides. And in addition to that, it's liquid cooled. So, walang problema kahit dire-diretso ako for 4 hours.
So, recommended niyo po sa lahat ng cicloistas?
Recommended ko siya pero it's still up to the buyer or sa tao naman yun.
Okay.
Preferences.
Ano po bang looks and features yung nagustuhan niyo kay Sniper MX?
Sa looks and features, unang tingin pa lang, gwapo agad. Kahit na sabihin natin, simple lang yung rider. Basta naka-Sniper MX ka, gwapo agad ang tingin sa'yo.
Head turner, sir. Ano po ba yung mga advantages ng Yamaha Sniper MX?
Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, fuel efficiency, napakaganda. And in terms of acceleration, good. And suitable siya for very long rides. And ang huli sa lahat, komportable siya, hindi ka mangangalay sa pag-ride mo.
And then how about the disadvantages?
Siguro ang masasabi ko lang disadvantage would be the fuel tank capacity and yung siguro yung medyo kapos siya sa power pag stock.
Pero worth it naman siya, sir.
Worth it naman.
Okay po. So there you have it, Ciclovistas, Yamaha Sniper MX.
This premium quality motorcycle from Yamaha surely will make your riding life more exciting. Comfortable and fast with great engineering, the Yamaha Sniper is really top-notch.